Hello, friends! Today we are going to make a super cool Coca-Cola and Sprite fountain machine. It looks so professional. You won't understand how satisfying it is until you see the end result. Let's get started. Step 1. Electric part and handle part. First, you will need a DC 6V air pump motor. Then, cut a sufficient amount of wire. Connect the wire to the air pump. Then, make 2 holes in the bottle cap with a drill or fire. Then, take a silicone pipe. Glue the pipe to the cap in such a way that no air comes out. Then, take an ice cream stick and cut it like in the video. Make 2 holes in the upper part. Then attach a 1-inch bamboo stick. Then make a handle with cardboard like in the video. Then attach the ice cream stick to the handle. Place another 1-inch bamboo stick on the side and attach it with rubber like in the video. Then cut a piece of the can and attach the wire to it. Then attach it to the handle. Attach the silicone pipe and finish the handle work. Test whether the process is working properly. Finally, this is working. Great! Step 2. Cardboard design part. Cut the cardboard according to the measurements shown in the video. Then cut out some parts in the middle. Then attach cardboard on both sides of the cut part. Then follow the video and make a frame with the cardboard. Then place the previously made handle part on the frame. Make another part of the frame in the same way. Then finish step 2 by attaching a cardboard piece in the middle of the two frames. Step 3. Cash receive part. Take a pen, make sure that the inside is empty. Cut some parts, put tape in the middle. Then take some GI wire as per the measurement. Make another pen in the same way. Then take some PVC board. Attach the pen to the PVC board as per the video. Then take a gear motor, place it on one end of the board and connect the wire to some part of the can and run it in the middle of the board. Connect the wire by following the steps shown in the video. Test whether the process is working properly. Finally, this is working. Great! Step 4. Final part. Attach the cash machine to the middle frame of Step 2. Make a cash box at the back. Attach the top part of the frame. Then add Sprite and Coca-Cola on both sides. Then design the front part and place the digits. Your Coca-Cola and Sprite fountain machine is ready. Enjoy! This was my Coca-Cola and Sprite fountain machine. Let me know how you liked it in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more such creative projects. See you again in the new video. Thank you.